Welcome. Let's start today's analysis. 29th November. Okay. Usually what we do is to mark the important levels for previous day. So previous day was reversal, or you can say trending day. It went down. The market fell too much. Nifty broke this initial range and then fell from here. So important level is this top PDH and PDL. PDH is more important because this is along with PDH, previous day high, it is a supply zone. Supply zone because from this point market fell this much and it could not recover. So there is selling pressure here on this point. So whenever market reaches this zone again, this line, above line is PDH, but this complete zone is a supply zone. This is marked with the pink color box, so that is called supply zone. So whenever market will try to reach this level, we have to observe whether market is trying to break the level or it is reversing. So unfortunately today it could not reach to that level, but we keep watch in future. Now okay, now for today's analysis, the CPR is white CPR because, as I told you, after every big move, unidirectional move, the next day will be average white CPR, because this was a narrow CPR and it gave a big move. So next day is usually a white CPR, and white CPR usually means sideways or reversal day. This is all probability, it's not certain that it will happen. So other than this PDH and PDL, I can't see important level, because there were important levels before this like gap border and all, but since this is broken now, that you can forget the gap border because it is already broken. And I have told you, market Nifty has a tendency to, they don't like, the market doesn't like gaps, so it will come back and fill the gap. Now exactly it filled the gap and it is trying to recover. So let us analyze today's market. So from the first candle, when it opened, first 5-minute candle is green candle, but it is below CPR. So if it would have been a red candle and it is coming from the CPR, then we would have thought of going short, or we would have seen it. But since this is green candle and it is towards the CPR, there is no trade, because CPR can act as a resistance. So there is no trade, and the bottom is not broken, top is broken, but this candle is inside the CPR. There is no trade inside the CPR. Whatever the candle size or CPR size or whatever the formation of patterns inside the CPR, within these three lines, there is no trade unless market goes, breaks this CPR or breaks this low, then there is. So this bottom could not be broken, otherwise you could have thought of going short, but this is not broken, and going short means we have to see other risk reward also. Now there is no trade here, there is no trade inside the CPR. This candle tried to break, but this could not go out of the CPR, and this, there is a wicks here, this small wicks. Now this candle could not break that, this candle, no candle could break the previous wicks, and this candle also, although it is a power candle without wicks, it did not break the previous wick. So there is no breakout. And even if there is a breakout on white CPR days, as I have been telling you, white CPR days breakouts are most likely a fake breakout, because market cannot go in one direction, or it won't give big move, because either it will be sideways or reversal. Anything can happen, but these are our rules we have to follow. So again went inside, and this top was broken by this candle, but again I said breakout, it may not go up, so it consolidated and it remained sideways. So there is no trade at all on today. So there are days which you have to properly analyze and save your capital, because every now and then here you will say, oh, this will go long, here you will enter, then again stop loss will hit, then somewhere here you will say now it will go long, but again your stop loss will hit, again you will say here, okay, we can go long. So there is no point in um, re-entering, doing more trades. Over trading is very harmful for trading. So these things you should remember, follow with discipline, and eventually you can. It is not overnight, nobody will be expert, so you have to give time, understand the patterns, and that's it. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.